We can discuss this reagents. Today topic is organic chemistry reagents. If you learn these reagents, you can convert easily the molecules from one functional group to another functional group. Now the first reagent is here, aqueous KOH. See, what is the function of aqueous KOH? Here KOH, two KOHs are there. One is aqueous KOH, the other one is alcoholic KOH. Okay, aqueous KOH का functioning है. Aqueous KOH का functioning is that you can see here role OH minus nucleophile. Of course, it is providing OH minus nucleophile. Convert alkyl halide to alcohols. Okay, alcoholic KOH is alkyl halide to alkenes. See the difference. In case of aqueous KOH, aqueous KOH means what? First of all, the KOH dissolved in the water. Okay, it is dissolved in the water. So it is producing so many OH minus ions. So RCH2X is there. This X is replaced by this OH minus. Okay, so many OH minus ions are there. That's why this OH is replacing X. So you will get RCH2OH. Okay. Now alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH means KOH dissolved in the alcohol. Generally you can take ethyl alcohol. KOH dissolved in the ethyl alcohol. So there is no those many OH minus ions. OH minus ions are in the limited. So nucleophilic character is less. Nucleophilic character is less. Basic character is more. This is a good nucleophile. Okay. Now here CH2X is there. X matlab I am taking chlorine. Okay. Here. Okay. Now in this case, what it is giving? This is acting as a strong base. Instead of nucleophile, it is acting as a strong base. So this base taking this H plus. Okay. So now this hydrogen and this chlorine is removing as minus HX. Okay, our product will be RCH double bond CH2. So this reagent is also known as dehydrohalogenating reagent. Dehydrohalogenation, because hydrogen and halogen is removing. From where? Obviously from beta carbon. What is this beta? See, from alkyl halide mein this halogen attached carbon is alpha carbon. Next carbon is beta carbon. Suppose if next is there, this is the gamma position. Alpha, beta, gamma is nothing but the 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. Okay, so this is also known as beta elimination. Okay, so short mein how to remember these things. See, simple example, alcohol. If you take alcohol more, your liver will be damaged. Many times I told this example because easily you can remember the things. So if you take alcohol continuously, something will be loose from your body. That's why here alcoholic KOH, whenever you are using, some smaller molecule is eliminating from this molecule. What is the smaller molecule here? H and X. Okay, are you getting? Is it clear now? Understood? Hello?
Sir, can you repeat alcoholic KOH once?
Alcoholic KOH, beta, if you take alcohol more, what will happen? Our liver will be damaged, our body, some parts will be damaged.
Yes, sir.
Like that, you had to correlate with this molecule, whenever we are using alcoholic KOH, from this molecule dehydrohalogenation takes place. Some smaller molecule is eliminating.
So they are eliminating HX.
Yeah.
And sir, they are adding anything?
No, only elimination. अल्कोहल में कोई तुमको एनर्जी देते हैं अल्कोहल?
No sir.
हाँ वही है, सेम इधर भी वैसा ही है. It is removing HX. Okay. In case of aqueous KOH में OH minus ion is replacing this chlorine.
Yes sir.
Okay, this is the main difference, aqueous KOH and alcoholic KOH. दोनों सेम रहता है, लिखने में भी A is there, लेकिन इधर Q and ALC. अल्कोहल में शॉर्ट फॉर्म ALC, aqueous में शॉर्ट फॉर्म AQ. Okay, aqueous if you take, you will get
Yes, sir.
okay, alcohol. If you take already alcohol, then again elimination. See the sequence. If you take aqueous KOH, you will get alcohol. Okay. If you take alcoholic KOH, elimination. बहुत अच्छा है ना सीक्वेंस.
Yes sir.
RX से अल्कोहल बनेगा, लेकिन वही अल्कोहल वाला KOH ले दे तो वो एलिमिनेशन होगा. नेक्स्ट MCPBA. metachloroperbenzoic acid. MCPBA. The full name is metachloroperbenzoic acid. See, you know the benzoic acid. This is the peroxy, means एक ऑक्सीजन एक्स्ट्रा है. बेंजोइक एसिड, ये metachloroperbenzoic acid मतलब peroxy. Or you can take any peroxy acid. Generally it is a carboxylic acid if I keep it H here, but here one more hydrogen extra. Peroxy मतलब क्या बेटा? Oxygen and oxygen bond is there, that is called peroxy bond. Yes, peroxy bond. What is the main purpose of this reagent MCPBA? It is oxidizing agent. It is oxidizing agent. Not that much of like KMnO4, लेकिन similar. Okay. Now what it is doing? From alkene to diols. Suppose this is the alkene. Cis alkene is there. It is giving MCPBA oxidizing into diols. OH and HOH. Okay. Suppose KMnO4 is there, KMnO4 also, diluted KMnO4 also, that is called Bayer's reagent. Bayer's reagent also doing same diols, but the main difference is here syn addition is there. मतलब here two OH groups are same side. In case of MCPBA, two OH groups are in opposite side. Okay, so this
Yes sir.
the reaction is here. This is called anti-addition. तो एडिशन रिएक्शन है, लेकिन एंटी एडिशन इसका बोलते हैं. हियर सिन एडिशन. सिन मतलब सिस टाइप. सिन एडिशन टेक्स प्लेस. Bayer's reagent means what? KMnO4, बट KMnO4 में क्या है? डाइल्यूटेड था और कोल्ड भी था. कोल्ड डाइल्यूटेड KMnO4. डाइल्यूटेड मतलब बहुत कम है. और दूसरा चीज अल्कलाइन बेसिक नेचर ALK. अल्कलाइन कोल्ड डाइल्यूटेड KMnO4। KMnO4 तो खतरनाक स्ट्रांग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट था। वो KMnO4 का ऑक्सीडाइजिंग पावर बेसिक मीडियम में बहुत कम रहता है, ठीक है। ऑलरेडी तो पहले किया कम अल्कालिक मीडियम, सॉरी अल्कलाइन मीडियम बेसिक नेचर, देन डाइल्यूट किया बहुत कम हो गया उसमें, और कोल्ड मतलब कितना कम कर सकते उतना किया KMnO4 ऑक्सीडाइजिंग नेचर का, फिर भी ये आल्कीन को वो डाइवल्स बना सकते। ओके, दिस इज द थिंग। दिस रिएजेंट ऑलरेडी इट केम इन द क्लास 10th में भी था। हाउ कैन यू डिस्टिंग्विश आल्कीन्स एंड आल्केन्स, सैचुरेटेड एंड अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड्स को हाउ कैन यू डिस्टिंग्विश, मतलब बेयर्स रिएजेंट, there is no reaction but name is there, Bayer's reagent means alkaline cold diluted।
सर
हाँ,
सर आपने वो नया चैप्टर चालू नहीं किया?
ये तो ये नया चैप्टर ही है क्या क्या, ऑर्गेनिक का पूरा तो रिएजेंट्स।
यस सर।
then okay, here it is giving diols। नेक्स्ट ऑस्मियम टेट्राक्साइड। ऑस्मियम टेट्राक्साइड का भी सेम है, ऑस्मियम टेट्राक्साइड आल्सो सेम रिएक्शन, ठीक है, वो भी ऑक्सीडाइजिंग। और देन एक्वस KMnO4 ऑलरेडी ओवर, अल्कलाइन KMnO4 ओवर, LTA तो अभी NCERT में नहीं है। सी वट एवर आई एम टीचिंग हियर इट इज देयर NCERT, आई एम नॉट टीचिंग यू JEE समथिंग। ओके, oxidation KMnO4, if you take strong medium में KMnO4 acidic medium and strong, diluted नहीं है, concentrated जैसा। in that case we know that KMnO4 is a powerful oxidizing agent, so RCH double bond CHCH3 is there, so these double bonds will break up। okay, these will get oxidation। first step में R hydrogen रखो as it is, just oxygen you insert two sides oxygen। okay, this is not final answer, CH3, ठीक है, it is like intermediate step I written here। so this KMnO4 furtherly it is oxidizing this aldehyde। aldehyde is the, even in carbohydrate chapter we learned aldehyde is a very sensitive group, even light oxidizing agent bromine also it can oxidizes aldehyde to carboxylic acid। so अभी तो KMnO4 था, in the presence of KMnO4 aldehyde बनेगा नहीं, immediately aldehyde becomes carboxylic acid और C डबल बॉन्ड वो OH। उसके लिए हम क्या करना है, एक पॉइंट याद रखो, the C double bond wo attached hydrogen is there, suppose this hydrogen becomes OH, इतना याद रखो, only one point you remember, the C double bond wo group if it is attached with hydrogen, this hydrogen becomes OH in the presence of KMnO4, वो स्ट्रांग है अभी।
सर मतलब ये जो अल्डिहाइड वाला ग्रुप है,
हाँ
वो हमें पता नहीं है, सीधा कार्बोक्सिल।
हाँ, सीधा ही लिखना है, नो नीड टू राइट दिस वन, नो नीड टू राइट, अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए लिखा था मैं, ठीक है। अभी तो एक पार्ट हो गया, दूसरा पार्ट क्या होता है, दूसरा पार्ट CH3 COOH, वो भी COOH, ओके, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड होगा, लेकिन कुछ कंडीशन ऐसा होता है, अभी CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड CH3 CH2, अभी क्या बनेगा, व्हाट इज आंसर? एक तो CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड वो CH3, यू राइट इट फर्स्ट स्टेप, ठीक है। अभी आगे दूसरा कंपाउंड क्या होगा, C डबल बॉन्ड वो C2 हाइड्रोजन आर देयर, but this is not final answer, I told you. ठीक है, next step what you will write, C double bond वो attached, this C double bond वो attached carbon has any hydrogen atoms? It is attached to any hydrogen atoms? No. No means as it is लिख दो, CH3 C double bond वो CH3. ओके,
ये तो कीटोन बन गया।
सॉरी, हाँ कीटोन बन गया। ठीक है, वो हर बार कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड जरूरत नहीं है। ठीक है, सेंसिटिव ग्रुप है तो वो ऑक्सीडेशन होगा नेक्स्ट स्टेप में। ठीक है, अभी तो कीटोन सेंसिटिव ग्रुप नहीं है, देयर इज नो हाइड्रोजन। नाउ सी हियर टू हाइड्रोजन्स आर देयर, टू हाइड्रोजन्स, सो व्हाट यू विल राइट नाउ, C double bond O, two hydrogens replaced by OH. See, this formula is nothing but H2CO3, carbonic acid. ठीक है, carbonic acid is highly unstable, highly unstable. What it will give? Carbon dioxide plus H2O. Actual product में रहता है carbon dioxide plus H2O. ये total rough work है, ये पूरा rough work. Understood now? And one more point you can remember here,
Yes, sir.
on a single atom, on any carbon, if two OH groups are there, कभी भी कोई भी condition में two OH groups are there, those are unstable, immediately one water molecule is releasing. ठीक है, one water molecule releasing means कैसे water molecule? Of course one is OH, ये पूरा OH जाएगा, इसके साथ H जाएगा, H2O, मतलब इधर डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा, दिस बॉन्ड इज शिफ्टेड हियर. ओके, सो
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, दिस इज द KMnO4 का स्टोरी. नेक्स्ट, इंपॉर्टेंट रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट्स, lithium aluminum hydride, lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so this is a very powerful reducing agent. You can see here from alkene to alkanes, it reduces all carboxylic acid and its derivatives including epoxide to alcohol, but amide to amines. amide है तो amines बनेगा, लेकिन remaining all oxygen containing functional group into alcohols, and it reduces both multiple bonds and the carbonyl group if present in the same molecule, if carbonyl group is there. Okay, मतलब conjugation में है तो double bond also will be reduced by this lithium aluminum hydride. Conjugation मतलब alternative position. ठीक है, वो छोड़ के remaining, it can reduce aldehyde, ketones, even alkoxide, haloalkanes of primary and secondary, converting into alkanes. If secondary is there, it is alkene बन रहे. Okay, a few examples I will give you. Suppose R C double bond O, OH is there, R C double bond O, Cl is there, R C double bond O, H is there, R C double bond O, CH3. These all are, see, these all three are converting into RCH2OH. What about this one? ये secondary alcohol बनेगा, secondary alcohol. Okay, now note point is here, suppose amide है तो R C double bond O NH2 is there, then this one is converted into RCH2 NH2. This is the thing, amines. Even in case of nitrile also, even in case of nitrile also is there, R C triple bond N is there, it is also converting into RCH2NH2. Is a very very important. उसके बाद इसके साथ सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड, sodium borohydride also is there. This is the specific. It can reduces only aldehydes, ketones, aldehyde, ketones and acid chloride. Only these three groups will be reducing by the sodium borohydride, converting into alcohols. Suppose carboxylic acid is there, so it cannot reduced by the sodium borohydride. ठीक है. Next,
Yes, sir.
ammonical silver nitrate. तो ozonolysis reaction already I told you. I think ozonolysis में what to do? Two types of ozonolysis reactions are there. One is oxidative, one is reductive. कोई भी ग्रुप है RCH2 double bond CH2 like this is there. Just you have to break this double bond and insert the oxygen. RCHO plus HCH double bond O. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Suppose here two alkyl groups are there, then you will get ketone. ये तो रिडक्टिव ओजोनालिसिस. ओके, ऑक्सीडेटिव ओजोनालिसिस क्या होगा? ऑक्सीडेटिव ओजोनालिसिस नथिंग बट द KMnO4. KMnO4 में कैसे कीटोन है तो एज इट इज द देन aldehyde converting into carboxylic acid and this formaldehyde converting into carbon dioxide, same products in oxidative ozonolysis also. Oxidative ozonolysis means see, ozone is there, उसके साथ H2O2 hydrogen peroxide is there. See the product, carbon dioxide, carboxylic acid, ketone. ठीक है. नॉर्मल ओजोनालिसिस रिडक्टिव में है तो जनरली aldehyde and ketones. Okay, next Diol H. It is also there in the syllabus. Diol H में specifically it is also selective reduction. It can convert ester into aldehydes as well ester into alcohol also, लेकिन at higher temperature. Higher temperature मतलब room temperature is higher temperature for this. Higher मतलब वो 100-200 नहीं है. ठीक है. वो डाइबाल के लिए एट लो टेम्परेचर में aldehyde बनेगा. ओके. RC डबल बॉन्ड O मिथाइल ईस्टर इज देयर. ठीक है. लो टेम्परेचर, रूम टेम्परेचर. रूम टेम्परेचर में तो वही तो हायर टेम्परेचर है इसका. RCH2OH प्लस मिथाइल अल्कोहल. बोथ आर अल्कोहल्स. बॉन्ड विल ब्रेकअप हियर दिस. अभी लो कंडीशन में है तो it will form RC double bond OH. It is giving aldehyde. The other one it will be alcohol again. So diol का special ये तो. As well diol will do one more reaction, cyanide to aldehyde. This is very important. What we are talking about diol. This diol ester to aldehyde as well cyanide to aldehyde. Cyanide to aldehyde. ठीक है. Next, Wolff-Kishner and Clemmensen reduction. These two are carbonyl compound to alkanes preparation is there. Okay, next, Birch reduction, Lindlar's